Same clothes, same job, different day. Still here building this wall. Let's get to it. You know, I've never actually built a wall before. This is the first wall that I've ever constructed in my entire life. And of course it has to be in some curved monstrosity like this thing.
Hands back down, down, and you'll understand. If I was to show you how, you'll see what's all about this time. Time ticks away. Hold on, while the demons play. I wish you could wear the same necklace with a big gold chain.
Now for the fun part. Hope I don't hit a live electrical line. Ah! It's perfect! Nailed it!
You wish you could play the game. Necklace with the diamond chain.
Well, that's gonna do it for the day. As you can see behind me, we got the wall completely done, which is fantastic. We got a couple cutouts here. This will be for a shelf above the bed, and then this section and this section are gonna be used for shelving inside the bathroom for a little bit of storage space. I don't know what made it in the video, what didn't, but we did a lot of work and we're having fun. So, yep, see you in the next one.